Hello and welcome in Microsoft D365 Finance and Operations. In this short video, I will give you an overview of the landing page of Dynamics 365, the finance modules, and the workspaces. So let's start. So as you can see on the top of my screen, Julia is the name of my user. You need to know that Julia is a manager in the finance department. She connects every day on her own page, this page, and she can quickly review her tasks and monitor the status of her tasks and her workflows. She can approve, return, or even reject the workflows that has been given to her. She can see who has sent her this action, this item. Should that be a user, an external user like here, or an internal user like there? Let's have a look now to what Louis, one of her team member, can do in the system on his own. Welcome back in Finance and Operations. So now we are on Louis' session. As a reminder, Louis is working in the Julia organization. Julia is the head of department of the finance department, and Louis is one of the manager of the finance department, and he is managing the finance of the company called FRSI here, just like here. So as you can see here, Louis has no task to do. He has no task anymore, probably because he already finished them. On the right-hand side here, you can find all the workspaces of Louis. Those workspaces are designed for the roles. For in the case of Louis, his roles is a finance manager. So those are typically the workspaces a finance manager in FRSI can see. Let's take an example of those workspaces. Those workspaces actually are shortcuts. They allow the users to quickly have an overview and to quickly access all the details of the process they should manage in the company. So as an example here, Louis can create, maintain, monitor, modify, review, and then post his journal entries. Because Louis is managing the finance of the current company, and probably he has some adjustment in finance to do. So he can see all his personal journals here, and he can also see all the journals for the company that have been posted, and also the ones of his own team. Let's go back to the main menu. So that was for the workspaces. Let's have a look to the finance modules now. So if I go in modules here, I can see all the different modules included in finance. So I have the account payable, account receivables, I have my asset leasing, my asset management, budgeting, cash and bank management, cost accounting, cost management, credit and cash and collection, and also fixed asset and general ledgers. That are for the mains, and also the tax management module. All those modules, let's say if I open one of them, let's say general ledger, looks like this. They're organized on the top with the workspaces, precisely the workspaces that Louis will be finding on the right-hand side in the landing page. And he can access all the features and functionalities through here as well. But to be honest, all those features here, they're already included in those workspaces. As I said earlier, they are shortcuts. They enable the user to go faster. He can also flag all the workspaces that he prefers, and by this selecting the star here, and he will be able to find them back in favorite here. Also, he can find again the recent menus and workspaces he has used. But again, he can find them back here. And as you can see here, they are organized with the last visited and the more visited workspaces to make this landing page a smart landing page for Louis.